Alright guys, here's the video of inside with the new dual in dual out muffler, IMCO 50 performance. A lot better, still loud, nice and deep, no more rasp. I'll do a quick takeoff here with windows up. Pretty loud, not bad, no rasp, doesn't sound like an 80s pickup, and to be honest with you, it's quieter than just my Flowmaster 50 was before. Don't get a lot of a drown. MDS kicks in, not too bad. All in all, not bad at all. I'm happy with it. And put the windows down here a little bit, and then I'll go full throttle so you guys can hear it again. Gives you an idea. I'm on a back road, so I have to tone it down a notch, but now you guys know what it sounds like. Let me know.